tell me about it?
I thought you already knew about Wesley Chapel.
It's a great place, and if you go there, get your homework done, you'll be able to play video games all day.
And on the 5th day, he created birds and animals. And yeah, on the last day, he rested.
I would like to say one more thing. Keep the art clean. Don't trash.
My name is Malik. I'm 11 years old in the 6th grade. I got 6 siblings. I was born with an extra finger. My favorite story in the Bible is David and Goliath. The Wesley Chapel was really fun. They do a lot of activities. They help me with my homework. We painted butterflies. We made it Play-Doh. I think we're gonna make eatable slime out of Jello. You might want to eat some. You might want to come make some. My name is Leroy. I'm a good reader. I'm still practicing though, and I love math. I know my math. And today we had music, and it turned out really good.
I mean, you get to do mad stuff. I mean, I don't know. Wesley Chapel is better.
This situation. And God, we're going to give you all the glory and all the praise. And these young people who are going to have prosperous lives, they're going to look back on this day and say, I'm so glad that the Lord was talking to me on that day. I'm so glad that I had a relationship with the Lord. I'm so glad that he spared my life when a lot of people around me have not